Hi Reginald, welcome to Goa 365.
Yes,
Reginald, we have been seeing a tremendous rise in COVID cases. Yesterday it was like out of the way. We've crossed 10,000 and there seems to be no end in sight. Now the government is making a lot of it's giving making announcements. It's saying this hospital, that hospital, this we're getting, but the cases there is no control on the cases. So you have some certain ideas about this. So I would like to know, could you inform our viewers what you think about the situation and what about the ideas generally? What's going on? What should we do more importantly?
see, I am a person who has been on the ground from day one.
Precisely.
Continuously, I have been on ground, and I was the person who was telling the chief minister, please, do something fast. And chief
Okay.
minister was constantly on a trip called Bhupachi Gorazna.
Fair enough.
Now, from ground level, I told him first that all these fellows we brought from outside will increase the cases. Then
Okay.
we went ahead and told him all quarantine should be done free,
Mm.
that it will be a scam.
Mm.
Then we went and told him they tried to say that the people coming from abroad will bring COVID and people coming from India will not bring COVID.
Okay.
We continuously told them that there is no foreign COVID, there is no Indian COVID. Keep same yardsticks for everybody. If you
Okay.
want 15 days, 14 days quarantine from outsiders, keep 14 days for Indian tourists. Nothing they did.
Correct.
They went ahead and north, they tried to project as a tourist center, didn't do any COVID centers, nor hospital in the north, only concentrated all these things on the south.
Mm.
Airports also, they did not open.
Mm.
So they completely made a line between foreigner and the Goans, which were outside India, and Indians coming to India, other Indians coming to India, and other Goans coming to India from various states.
Mm.
All these they did, and finally we have reached a stage. Today's position, as on today, to make things short, quarantine centers, the bills are not paid of the foods, so they are not giving proper food. They have been threatened. If you stop giving food, you will not be paid your previous bill. So you are getting no quality. The quarantine centers are not clean, not hygienic. There are no doctors to check the position. Even if you are sick, there is no place you can take a patient to a hospital. This is today's position. आजची परिस्थिती that आज तुगे घरांत जो तर कोण बरो ना तेका हॉस्पिटलां व्हरपा जायना हुंयच्या हॉस्पिटल तेका घेना कोविड जो तर जाल तुका सिम्टोमॅटिक आहा तूं होम क्वारंटायन आहा हो क्वारंटायन आहा सेंटरांत सडनली तूं बरो ना दोतोर ना तुका चोवपाक ESI गेले पासून तुका कॅज्युअलिटीज घेनाय ऑस्पिशियंतूय कॅज्युअलिटी नाय दिस इज द पोझिशन GMC पोझिशन इज वॉर्डांत पॉझिटिव्ह जावपा लागले नर्स सांगपा लागले बाबा तूं हिंग राव नाका ही पॉझिटिव्ह केसीस आहाय म्हणून दोतोर बिलो आहाय काल I was reading one report 2 minutes I'll finish. I was reading
No,
one
no, finish.
report.
Take your time. Take your time.
One second. Bihar doctor is on duty with armed police guard protecting him from the patients and from himself also.
What are you saying?
Don't laugh. I am telling you something very serious. We predicted. I had said Maharashtra and Delhi. Kids zalte tu choi. Find out what mistakes they made. Don't make the same mistakes we told the chief minister and we told the health minister. काय गेलना तेणी they have taken Bhupachi Gorazna stand. ही Bhupa Gorazna ती stand एकदम मारक पडल्या आणि आज सध्याक today's position I hope in another few days in the GMC we don't have to keep armed policemen to guard the doctors. I hope so. I pray to God it doesn't happen.
But Reginald, the cases are rising. It's not the way you're saying is you think that the cases are going to get better. How is it possible?
Okay. Let's come to that point. To that point.
Okay.
You can have micro containment zones.
Yes.
I have yesterday written to the chief minister to have 15 days lockdown, but we could, modify it into micro containment zones.
Hmm.
Wherever there are cases, seal it.
Okay.
See,
That's
they
not
have
happening.
mismanaged. See, they see the thing is from the top to bottom and from the first day to the last day, all mismanagement.
Y-
So they correct korpak, soglang gain act and correct korpak, then capacity na.
Is it capacity
आता
or will? Capacity or will? See, capacity is one thing. Or will to do or capacity korpak or will korpak na? What is it?
will ना, विलू ना, they don't care. आपण कोणते झाले, तू ऐक.
The एक
This is
point
the
माचे फाटल्यान या. Then you said you had written to the chief minister yesterday that to
Yeah.
quarantine. Could you machi give us some more details on this and your micro containment details? I want.
Okay,
What you want?
details.
What you
Now
want?
see, suppose in Kurtori area, in my constituency, 5 places are located where cases are rising.
Hmm.
Seal it off.
Hmm.
Industrial zone, industrial people, you have to tell them, don't send your workers home because it has become a completely time bomb there.
Hmm.
Don't
कुर्तोरी
send your
खूप
workers.
प्रॉब्लेम जालो तुमका वेरना लागोन
Carefully.
वेरना लागोन प्रॉब्लेम जालो तुमका कुर्तोरी
Yes. Sogil आमगे कुट्रेच्यो and रायच्यो and allantu cases are because of Verna.
ओके Hmm.
Don't send them home, keep them separate. Now,
Okay.
areas where they are detected in the Kurtori constituency, make small containment zones.
Okay.
Police, if it is less, employ private security and do it.
Okay. But
Make
what's that?
arrangement for food to be supplied to them and finish off that area.
Hmm.
एश कोन तर केलें जाल्यार सिट्युएशन जातोलें सिट्युएशन करेक्ट जावपाक शकता.
Hmm. Okay. Otherwise?
जीएमसी जो वॉर्डांत जीएमसीन एक विंग आहा तो एम्प्टी कोन सॅनिटायज कोन बरे पेशंटांक तांकां स्कॅनिंग कोन तेच पेशंट बरे पेशंटां थिंग धाडपाचे कित्याक बरे पेशंट आनी कोविड पेशंट मिक्स जावपाक लागले.
Hmm.
बरें कोविडा पेशंटा बोलेक कोणाकू वचपा दिताय. देर इज नो प्रॉपर see, they are also, you can't blame them. The situation is such that तुगे फॅमिली एक कोविड आसलेली तो तेक जाप करिना जाल्यार तो हें जाता डिजेस्परेट जाता. सो ही बिकम्स डेस्परेट. सो तेक कोविड पेशंटाक एक पण फॅमिली मेंबरां धाडूंक पडटा बोगलेक कित्याक तो मरतलो ना जाल्यार तेक जाणा जाल्यार. सी द सायकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर सो इमेन्स that these people are not realizing, and reality they don't know. As I am telling you one thing, Garan, touch wood. So I hope nobody is sick in yours and my house. There is no hospital that will take them properly in a split second or give them first aid. First they tell you to ask a COVID test. COVID test, we don't know what is happening. Somebody is saying that antigen test is not good, so they take a confirmatory test. That confirmatory test, they take another test. In the GMC, if you change one ward to the other ward, एक वॉर्डासान दुसरी वॉर्डां घालपाक तो वॉर्ड फक्त टेस्ट करता. तीन मत तुगे फॅमिली मेंबर आहा, यू डोंट नो व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग. टोटल मेस. बरें करेक्ट.
But Reginald, one sec. Yeah, let me interrupt. Now, see, now every second day, the health minister or the chief minister are having press conference घेता येते आणि उलोयताय. But you feel तुमगे एक्सपिरियन्स ना they are not addressing the real problems which are being faced by the state. Do you think that because they are talking every second day, they are talking something or something. Even today Vishwajit had a press conference.
Okay, that lady video went viral of that lady, and what she said, अपना खबर ना अपना गोवा के पार्ट्स काढल्या जाल्यार तिका खबर ना. आज एक पोस्ट वायरल झाला की there is one lady who is admitted, she's scared somebody might take the family members parts. Did somebody address it? Did the health minister, did the chief minister address this? Did somebody go to the GMC and check what happened? Were they live with the press? What happened? Nothing. So doubts have been created. I'm not saying it's happening. I will tell you it's not happening. Come on, I'll support them. It is not happening. But you see, there is lot of mistrust. And mistrust is that video.
Correct.
If the video is from what the health minister and chief minister is talking, the people are not able to connect.
Yeah, so connection is lost somewhere. Absolutely. Okay. Now,
You have
my.
come exactly to the place.
किधे उंडा?
You have reached exactly after talking for so long. I have got words from your mouth that
Anyway, connections are being lost everywhere, Reginald. Lighting a connection ना. ओय सगळे connection, water connection ना. सगळे connection ही lost जातात.
लाईट गेल्या पिवपा गरज ना. पूण जर तर हेल्थ गेली पिवपा गरज आहा बाबा मतो तूं. So there we don't mix up all issues. Please, I am mighty serious. हांव seriously उलयता गडे कित्याक हांव
सारकें.
groundar या. I am the MLA who has visited ESI, who has visited ICU, who has visited COVID center, who has visited COVID quarantine centers, containment zones, everything. देवान म्हाका राखून दवरला. हेणी कांय केलें ना म्हाका salva करपाक.
Yeah, okay,
देवान
fair
राखला.
enough. It is a serious matter, obviously. From 0 to 10,000 in 2 months is serious. Is serious, absolutely. And Panjim and Margao become like COVID hotspots right in the area where the chief minister has his residence, official residence. Altin has become a hotspot today. I totally agree.
For 2 minutes, I'll take you a little out. I'll tell you,
Yeah.
I have a patient today who has paid 9 lakhs to Manipal Hospital for her husband, and her husband is still in the hospital. He's lying in coma.
For what?
She
9
doesn't
lakhs
know
for
what
what?
to do.
For what?
9 lakhs they have paid Manipal Hospital. I have a case today.
For
I will
what?
give you the name of the patient.
For what?
From today, for the last 15 days, they have been in Manipal Hospital.
But for what? For
They
what
paid
are they
9
doing,
lakhs
Anpar? For what?
for hospital care. Even during COVID and pandemics, people have to pay 9 lakhs for 15 days.
Mm.
And the patient is in coma.
No, yeah.
म्हणजे देवापासून भिरान ना pandemic सान. आणि whom to address? This person, whom will she address? She will not get relief. This is my challenge to you. If she goes to anybody, she will not get relief. This is my challenge to you.
You know of many instances like this? Anything?
That is why I am one of the person who is against these high paid hospitals even during pandemics. Other times of the year, I keep on shouting on them that they are robbing people, that they are fleecing people.
Correct. Absolutely.
This is the situation. That is why I had suggested Manipal Hospital. They have got land under trust. They have got a corporate hospital. Keep it, make it as a COVID center. I had said because of this. For so many years, they have fleeced people. Even now, at this point of time, let them give service to the people of Goa.
Okay, fair enough. Any one point I would like to add in yesterday or today morning there was a post on WhatsApp which was forwarded to me about some teachers testing positive. You are aware of this because a lot of calls are coming to us because now the center has said that Supreme Court has said, center has said that no need of going to schools, no need of going to college. But however, teachers are no notification has come. गोंयच सरकारान कांय नोटिफिकेशन दिल ना आनी एक आतां कोविड टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह करप जायत आहे न्हू इन गोव्याले ते टेस्ट जाले पॉझिटिव्ह इन टीचर्स आर टेस्टिंग पॉझिटिव्ह इन वन पेंजीम स्कूल some security manager has become positive. What is this? You are aware? What do you feel about this?
See, the government is too busy with the double tracking coal. They are busy with mining, putting the anti-mining against the mining dependents. They are dividing the people nicely. They are busy, they are doing these things with a different agenda. But on ground, एक साध्या मनशाक हॉस्पिटलां वचपा जायना तेचो परिस्थिती येयलो आहा. तो म्हणटा आपणा घाराको मेल्या कोंता येता. तो म्हणटा आपणा हॉस्पिटलांत तूं काड जीएमसी आपण बायल घराको मेल्या कोता येता नाल्यार आपल्यागे बायल कोविड जाले कोविड जायन मेल सर्टिफिकेट दितले म्हणटा. ही जर तर परिस्थिती येयली गव्हर्मेंटाची जाल्यार गोंयकारांक कितें करपा तें तूं म्हाका सांग.
But this teachers issue तू ऐकेल कितें? The teachers
issue
for
I
yeah.
tell you. Government servants हे जावपा लागले, positive जावपा लागले.
Yes. Hmm.
All government offices are having. I went to PWD yesterday. They told me 4 cases are there
Hmm.
in the office. So hospitals positive cases जावपा लागले. Nurses, staff, तुगेले
Utility.
सगळे दोतोर सगळे पॉझिटिव्ह जावपा लागले.
Hmm.
आतां एसो सिच्युएशनाचेर भिवपा गरज आहा काय ना ते सोडीच खबर. जिवा भीक माग जाल्यार हुंय जाल्यार जीव वचोन बुडोवपा जाला. ही परिस्थिती जाल्यार गोंयकारांक गेली आनी आमगे गव्हर्मेंट एब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस कोन्ना. एब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस कोन्ना. हे बारीक सादी गोष्ट. आनी आतां सद्याक हें चलता कितें डिबेट चलता. पोल जाय म्हूण सांगपाक. हे लोकां साल्वा करूं म्हूण सांगपाक कांय डिबेट चलना. हॉस्पिटलान कितको कुयदाद घेया लोकांचो कांय चालू ना.
Hmm. But
जावं लोकांक गृह आधार दिवपाक, जावं लोकांक DSS दिवपाक, जावं लोकांक कितको करया तें ना. I hope another 15 days you don't require police to guard the doctors and you don't require police to guard you if at all you're talking against the government.
okay. No. Listen, I have a point on this. But how? How? This is not practical. How you are saying this? You hope is fine. Hoping is fine. But how? How is it practical that you are saying with
See,
this situation today, within 15 days, things will sort out? How? Reginald, tell me.
things will not sort out. If
Then,
it is not done,
then.
one second, things to sort out,
Hmm.
you need to take a lot of people into confidence.
Fair enough.
It can't be done with a single hand. It can't be said, I am the boss and you follow my orders. No.
Hmm.
In such a situation, you have to rope in people who will help you. Now, in this point of time, even we have said time and again, we as opposition are ready to help. I have offered my help n number of times.
Yes, I know.
I have not even been asked even what help or what shall we do. Forget about I doing anything.
Hmm.
In this situation, I have said I am ready to offer my services anytime. बरें, मुझ खबर सोड आनी जाय दोतोर आहाय जायचं आहाय दोतोरान पासून सजेस्ट केल्लें एक डेडिकेटेड हॉस्पिटल जर तर केलें जाल्यार वी विल ऑल्सो रोप इन यू कॅन रोप अस इन एंड वी विल हेल्प द पेशंट्स म्हूण.
Hmm.
तें सुद्दां केलो ना. What chief minister says, what secretary health says, what the doctors in charge says, finally what the patient says, entirely different versions. Instead of from 0 to 100, it's coming from 100 to 0. In this
I would
type
like
of
to add a
situation-
point in this. I would like to add a
Please.
point on this. Now, you had brought up, now it becomes more relevant now after this discussion, and after so much of this discussion. Yeah, तुवें कितें letter बरयल्लें 15-day quarantine. Fine.
No.
Agreed. No. Wait. Let me finish. 15-day quarantine or micro containers. Correct? 15-day
Yeah.
quarantine or micro containers. Agreed. Now,
No.
you feel
Please
any
lockdown.
work is being done on that? Anything has been done on that till it?
15 days lockdown with
Or-
1 second 15 days lockdown with giving them time to buy essentials so that people are prepared.
Hmm.
Really it becomes a lockdown or micro containments in areas which are to be done seriously and perfectly well, at least targeted areas.
Yes. But lot of targeted areas are there in Goa.
Yeah. Means which area with targeted area म्हणजे कितें म्हणला ती target area जाली. चल.
Okay. Plus industries. That's also very good idea. So that the workers don't go home.
सर्कल मारपाचें तांकां भायर वचपाक दिवप ना.
If not, then what?
क्वारंटाइन सेंटर मेल फिमेल सेपरेट वॉर्ड्स करपाचे.
Okay. If not, then what?
If not, be prepared for police protection for doctors. For you, for me, forget. I'm opposition. At least the ruling.
What
Don't
about
laugh.
this?
Don't laugh.
This tourism. Now he wants to open tourism. The festivals open. Huh?
तुगे जीव आते टुरिझम रे तुका.
I don't know. What do you say?
एशको टुरिझम येतले कोण येवपा आहा तो ऑलरेडी येयलो एंड ओपन केलें काय ना सगळे त्याने ओपन केलें काय ना सगळे भितर येयले आनी कोण येना आतां येवपा आहा ते भितर येवन रावपा लागले ते those fellows who have flats and are from outside have already come in their place and they are staying comfortably inside.
I don't know.
आता टुरिझम आणि काय इन्क्रीज जावपा ना काय ना ते क्वारंटाईन स्कॅम म्हणते क्वारंटाईन स्कॅम केले हेणी पयशे घेयले म्हणून लोक बॉब मारता अजून देखून हॉटेलान बॉब मारू लागले हॉटेल ओनर्स स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग क्वारंटायनाचे स्कॅम जाले म्हणून government has not started even an inquiry. See the state of affairs.
So in other words,
येवपाची गरज ना आणि असेंब्ली जाल्या एक दिसाची. This is the overall picture of the government. Finish. That's it.
so overall you're saying that unless you do X, Y, Z, no, so sorry, overall you're saying that this is a mess, right? Obviously the figures and all that. And if we don't do this, it's still going to continue a mess. So after Ganesh, we can expect figures to jump, to rise.
I hope Lord Ganesh helps us.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise.
No one else can help us.
Okay. Anything else you would like to add? Of
आणि मोन नाजाचें पुरमो मागपाचें प्लीज.
कितें what is it?
येवपाची गरज आहा आमी मोन ना जाल्यार पुरमो मागपाचें.
Anyway, whatever.
This is the situation, I'll tell you, government is, they have messed up the thing so much that it has become a situation where they can't get it back to its. Now Delhi, there was a mess. So Delhi, they managed somehow and bring things under control. But here, it has gone, see what has happened is, thank Azaire, little bit of, you require a little bit of heart, man. आमगे लोकां त्रास जाता कित करया आमगे लोकां साल्वा करपाक आमी कित करपाचें आमी 4 दीस आमगे बंद दवरया एजेंडा आनी हेंच करया हेच जावपा जाय.
But government wants to start EFI.
अरे बाबा EFI कित करून 25,000 जात्री EFI कमेस करया 25,000 cases जात्री so we'll have a corona EFI.
No, but I'm talking about the mindset. I'm not talking about the specific issue.
Government may be trying to, clearing the mindset, saying that we'll have EFI, positive effect might come. Might be, they are thinking that way. Might be. Let me put myself in their shoes. They are thinking that it will happen. They are thinking that if you get mining, that if you start mining, that economy will rise. But you can't have economical rise if the health of the people, if the people, if your people are not happy, you cannot have an economic rise or an economic a jump in the economy with the people not, feel good factor of the people.
No, but see, I agree. Fine. What I'm saying is that agree, disagree. What I'm saying is now, don't you think that this sends mixed signals to the people? See, one side, even today, Vishwajit said, and even so many people said, CM said, no, you have to celebrate Ganesh. No need of celebrating Ganesh. But they have allowed Sarvajanic Ganeshes. Now they're saying, be careful, don't go to various places, don't have gatherings, don't have this. What is IFFI? IFFI is a film festival. You have to watch films. So don't you think this is a wrong impression being given to people that it's okay, fine, nothing is going to happen? Because we have the confidence that we are starting everything. Schools are supposed to start from the 1st of September. And on the other side, government is saying social distancing, don't go out, don't have house parties, don't roam around. So two different messages are going. Don't you think that it's confusing people even more?
See, the people have lost faith here. So any message doesn't bother. The people are doing what they want, and the government is doing what they want. This is the ground reality today. But end of the day, it is government that is responsible, and the government has to take steps to help the people. Now, government has to even let the people, let there be a positive mindset. But homework aspa jay tu gelo.
Okay.
आतां तुगे हॉस्पिटल केसीस जाल्यो, तुगे चड जाल्यो, तुगे टेस्टिंग चड जावपाक आनी कितें करपाक तुवें कितें केलां स्टेप्स इन द पायपलायन टू हॅव इट डन.
Correct.
2000 टेस्ट करताले, आतां आमगे 5000 टेस्ट जाताय, 6000 टेस्ट जाताय, रिपोर्ट्स फास्ट येता.
No.
बरें क्वॉरंटायन सेंटर्स ते थोडे कोत्ताय, ते बरें कोत्ताय. तुवें होम क्वॉरंटायन दिलां, तें कोण चॅक कोत्ता, कितें तुवें फर्स्ट हाडला. हांवें सांगलोलें केरला सान दोतोर हाडया आनी फर्टिलिटीज दिवया आनी एक डेडिकेटेड हॉस्पिटल करया म्हणून. बिकॉज दे हॅव गॉट एक्सपिरियन्स, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ केरला, बिकॉज दे गॉट एक्सपिरियन्स.
Absolutely, yes.
I had told so many things suggested. They are taking things personal. Who is Reginald to say? It is not Reginald to say. I am not saying it. These are some intellectuals who talk to us, and that's how we talk.
Correct.
I'm a fool myself. I'm not intelligent. I'm a mediocre, but I listen to people. I throw ideas to the government. You know why? Because I have got interest in my people. People have elected us for to do it.
That's a good point you've made indirectly. Very good point, yes.
Yeah, I'm not an intellectual. Okay, suppose I say you bring doctors from Kerala. You could bring doctors from Punjab. I have no problem. I've just thrown an idea at you.
Or Gujarat, for you know.
And the Secretary Health can sit down and say, we have got enough of things. We are prepared for any eventuality. If you were prepared for any eventuality, how come this situation took place today? You were saying from day one, we are ready for any eventuality. How come the situation is what is today? Come on, answer.
Yes. I think, Reginald, thanks a lot. We're out of time. But this question, I think, has to
Sorry,
be
I've
answered.
been had feelings out. This is what is happening on the ground.
Yes, absolutely. I
Sorry,
agree
I'm
with
very
you. Totally.
anybody in the I've got no personal interest or nor any agenda to hurt anybody. I have taken names of the health secretary, I have taken names of the chief minister. I don't hurt anybody personally. End of the day, we are responsible for the people, no?
Of course, everybody, all of us, you and me. Yeah.
Anyway,
this question has to be answered. You're right. Yeah.
आणि पिवपाची गरज आहा.
Yes. Thank you, Reginald. It was nice talking to you again. Thank you. And keep watching Goa 365.